Jai Gurudev students. So let's start the class. You can see in my board I have written convert rupees 1850 paise into following denomination. So what is denomination? And after that I have given 5 paise and 10 paise. So what is denomination? Denomination is divide or divide on the basis of classification বা কোনো একটা শ্রেণীতে বা কোনো বিভাগে ভাগ করো. So এখানে দুটো বিভাগ দিয়েছে, একটা 5 পয়সা একটা হচ্ছে 10 পয়সা. So how to do it? Before do it, let's have the basic idea. Suppose you have gone to a market or into a shop for chips or for anything, you can say for pencils maybe. At that time the shopkeeper told you that the cost of the pencil is rupees 5 and you don't have 5 rupees coin or 5 rupee note. You only have 1 rupee coin, right? And at that time what will you do? You will pay the cost by those 1 rupee coins. So how many 1 rupee coin you need to pay? Suppose you have lots of 1 rupee coin, 10 maybe 15. So what will you do? Suppose this one is a 1 rupee coin. In this way you need to pay 3, 4, 5. So 5 1 rupees coin you need to pay. 5টা 1 টাকার কয়েন তোমাকে দিতে হবে, তাহলে কি হয়ে যাবে এটা? It will be in total it will be rupees 5, right? So in this way we need to divide into this that means the 5 paise in and in 10 paise. এর অর্থ হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমি কেন এটা বললাম, why I am telling this one, because in here I have divided and I have calculated and find out how many coins will be there for making it 5 rupees. Here also using these two denomination, using these two part, I need to find out how many 5 paises will be there or how many 10 paises will be there to cover this one, to make this one, that means rupees 1850 paise. কতগুলো 5 পয়সা মিলিয়ে, that means number of 5 paise coin, number of 10 paise coins, okay, so that we can cover rupees 18.50 or 18 rupees 50 paise. সো আমাদেরকে কি করতে হবে, কতগুলো 5 পয়সা কতগুলো 10 পয়সা আছে এটাকে মিলিয়ে 18 rupees 50 paise বানাতে হবে. So we will not delay, we will start. At first we are targeting this one, 5 paise. So it is in rupees and these are in paise, so we need to convert it at first. So we all know that rupees 1 equals to 100 paise. So we need to convert this one at first, rupees 1850. And we all know that how to do it in shortcut, not in method which I have given you, which I have shown to you yesterday, not in this method. 18.50 equals to 1850 paise. Clear? আমাদের এইটুকু অবধি করতে হবে. এবার কিভাবে করব এটা? So we know rupees 18.50 equals to 1850 paise. Now how many 5 paise coins are there? We will give the number at first. A number of 5 paise coins equals to, here 1850 divided by 5. like কতগুলো আছে, নাম্বার অফ 5 paise কতগুলো আছে, তো আমি এখানে ডিভিশনটা করে ফেলছি. 1850 ডিভাইডেড বাই 5 5 1 যা 5 5 2 যা 10 কারণ এখানে দেখো এটা 1 রয়েছে তো ডিভাইডেন্ডের যখন ফার্স্ট নাম্বারটা ডিভাইজার থেকে ছোট থাকে when the first number of the dividend is smaller than the divisor we need to consider the first two numbers. So I am considering 18 and now I am doing the rest of the part. 5 1 za 5 5 2 za 10 3 5 za 15 4 5 za 20. So 20 is greater than 18, so we will go for 3 5 za 15 and then we need to minus 16 17 18 3 here will be 5 35 5 7 za 35 cut. Now 0 remains. You can do one thing, you can directly put it here or you can go for the next step 0, so 5 0 0 or you can give cross. So how many 5 paise coins are there? 375 paise coins will be there. What you need to do, you need to pause the video and you need to write it down. So our first calculation has been completed and after that we need to do the next one which is number B, 10 paise. So for 10 paise what will we do? The statement will be same. Number of 10 paise equals to, or you can write number of 10 paise coins equals to 1850 divided by 10. So no need to write the unit because it's not a it is not a paise or it is not a rupee. We are finding the numbers of coins, মানে কতগুলো কয়েন আছে তার জন্য এখানে কোনো ইউনিট ইউজ করতে হবে না. So 1850 divided by 10. So 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 is greater than 18, so 10 1s are 10, 8 5, 8 10s are 80, 85 minus 80 5, 0 comes here, 5 10s are 50, so 185. That means 185 10 paise makes 1850 paise or rupees 1850 paise. অর্থাৎ 185টা 185টা 10 পয়সা কয়েন্স যদি আমি নেই তার মানে এটা ইকুয়ালস টু হচ্ছে গিয়ে 18 টাকা 50 পয়সা বা 18 rupees 50 paise equal. Clear? Now up to this much is easy, but when you will get, I'm changing the number. Suppose 34.50 and the denomination is number C 25 paise. That means তোমার কাছে আছে 25 paise. এবার কতগুলো 25 paise মিললে তারপর এটা সমান হবে এটা আমাদের বের করতে হবে in same process. So at first rupees 34.50 equals to 3450 paise. So number of 25 paise coins equals to 3450 divided by 25 equals to, এটা দেখে ভয় পাওয়ার কিছু নেই, ঠিক আছে? এটা তুমি একটু একটু করে করতে পারবে. no need to worry about this. So 25, I have a very limited space, so I will be each time I will be rubbing the board. See 25, so I know that 25 twos are how much, but you don't know. That's why I am doing this. 25 into 2, this one is rough portion. 5 twos are 10, carry 1, 2 twos are 4, plus 1 5. So 25 twos are 50. So we need to consider these two numbers. So it is 34. So 25 into 2 equals to 50. 50 is greater than 34. So what will we do? We will just simply write down 25 ones are 25, and after that we need to subtract from 34. So from 14, if we minus 5, 9 comes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and it will become 2 here. It will become 14. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So 9 is here, and after that 5. So 95. Now 25 twos are 50 is smaller, but we need to see whether it is exact smaller from 25, sorry, from 95 or not. মানে 95 এর exact ছোট কিনা, খুব সম্ভবত নয়। একবার এটা চেক করতে হলে আমাদের কি করতে হবে? to check that whether this number is immediate smaller, then the number here we need to check the next one. That means 25 multiplied by 3. Previous one was 25 multiplied by 2. Now I am doing the 3. 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 7. So 75. Okay, 75 is also smaller, but for checking again I am doing the same. 25 multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 10. So 25 3s are 75. 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 7 2. So it becomes 20, and 0 comes here. So 200. We need to check whether any number is there with which 25, if we multiply 25, then 200 comes. So see, 425 is 100, right? So we will count from the next one. 425 is 100. You can go one by one. 25 25 5s are how much, or 6s are how much, you can write. Or you can do one thing. Now you are in class 3 and you will be promoted into class 4. So we need to be smarter. See, 25 4s are 100. 4 2s are how much? 8. 4 2s are how much? 8. 4 2s are 8. And 100 2s are how much? 200. Now checking the answer. 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 comes here, 8 2s are 16, plus 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, 200 comes. তো কিভাবে বের করলাম? বিকজ 4 2s are 8, আর এদিকে হচ্ছে কি 100 2s are 200. So that means this one is doubling. That means 25 4 এর যেমন ডাবল বের করেছি আমি, 100 এর এমন ডাবল বের করেছি। তো 4 এর ডাবল হলে অটোমেটিক্যালি কি হবে? আনসারটাও ডাবল হয়ে যাবে, মানে 100 ছিল ওইটাও ডাবল হয়ে যাবে। সো সেই ভেবে আমি এটা করেছি। সো দিস ওয়ান ইজ আ স্মার্টার ওয়ে টু ডু দ্য ম্যাথস। ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দিস, go one by one. That means check 25 multiplied by 5 how much, and after that 25 multiplied by 6 how much, and after that 7. It will take time, but it is okay, but it will take time. So 25 8s are 200, and the maths ends here. So how many 25 paise coins are there? 138 25 paises are there. Now the question is how we can identify, or how we can say, that means what is the purpose of using the word denomination. See, in my previous number, which was rupees 1850, I have divided, or I have denominated this নাম্বার অর দিস ফিগার ইনটু টু পার্টস 5 পয়সে অ্যান্ড ইন 10 পয়সে। তার মানে কি করছে, এখানে আমি একটা 5 পয়সের ডিনোমিনেশন বানাচ্ছি, আরেকটা হচ্ছে 10 পয়সের ডিনোমিনেশন, দুটো শ্রেণীতে ভাগ করেছি। আমি বলেছিলাম ডিনোমিনেশন মানে হচ্ছে শ্রেণী, একটাতে আখ্যা দেওয়া, তো ওটাকে আমি কি করেছি 5 পয়সে কতগুলো হবে একটাতে ডিভাইড করেছি, আর এটা 10 পয়সে কতগুলো হবে। দ্যাটস ওয়াই উই আর ইউজিং দ্য ওয়ার্ড ডিনোমিনেশন। ওকে, সো দ্যাটস অল ফর টুডে। জয় গুরুদেব।